In what ratio does the line 3x minus 5y plus 8 equals to 0 divide the line segment joining the points 4, 3 and 8, 7? Let us begin. So here, let's say we have a point A. A has the coordinate 4, 3. Then we have another point B, and we'll suppose that B has the coordinate 8, 7. Now what we'll do, we're going to join the 2 points A and B with the help of a straight line. Now it's given here that we have another line 3x minus 5y plus 8 equals to 0. That's the equation of the line. So let us suppose that we have this particular line. So this is the line with equation 3x minus 5y plus 8 equals to 0. And this particular line is dividing the line AB in the ratio k is to 1. So we have to obtain the value of k, and that is going to help us find out the value in which ratio it is dividing the line segment. So let's say this line is actually intersecting the line AB at point C. Now clearly we can apply the section formula to obtain the coordinates of point C, and we can observe here that C is internally dividing the line segment AB. So using section formula, so coordinates of C, that's going to be, we'll take k and multiply with b, we'll take 1 and multiply with a, meaning to find out the x coordinate, we take k and multiply with the x coordinate of b, so that's going to be 8k, added to 1 times the x coordinate of a, so that's going to be 1 times 4, simply 4, divided by the sum of the ratios, so that's k plus 1. Then for the y coordinate, we take k and multiply with the y coordinate of b, so that's 7k, added to 1 times the y coordinate of a, so that's going to be 3, divided by k plus 1. Fine. So this is the coordinate of point C. Now clearly, the point C, we can mention it here, that the point C must lie on the line. And the line, which equation is 3x minus 5y plus 8 equals to 0. So in this laying of the line, that means this point is going to satisfy this particular equation. So all we can do is replace the value of x with 8k plus 4 divided by k plus 1, and then add it to, we have negative 5y, so we have negative 5 times y, so y will be replaced with 7k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 plus 8 equals to 0. Once we solve this equation, we'll be easily able to obtain the value of k. So let's do that. So here the common denominator will be k plus 1. So what we'll do, we'll multiply throughout with k plus 1 to get rid of the denominator part. So we have 3 times 8k plus 4 minus 5 times 7k plus 3 plus 8 times k plus 1. So this will be equals to 0. So let's further simplify. So we have 3 times 8k, so that's going to be 24k, plus 3 times 4, that's going to be 12, minus 5 times 7k, so that's 35k, minus 5 times 3, so that's 15, plus 8k plus 8, so that's equals to 0. So we have 24k plus 8k, so that's going to be 32k, and 32 minus 35, that's going to be negative 3k. Fine. So I've taken care of the k part. Now we have 12 minus 15, so that's negative 3. Negative 3 plus 8, that's going to be positive 5. So this will be equals to 0. So the value of k comes out to be 5:3. Or we can simply say that the ratio k is to 1, so that's going to be 5:3. So we obtain, so D seems to be the correct answer. So this is the ratio in which the line 3x minus 5y plus 8 equals to 0 divides the line joining the 2 points A and B into ratio 5:3.